Let's dive into the different types of financial markets. The financial market is a vast and dynamic environment with many types of markets and instruments available to traders and investors. Forex Market. Forex or foreign exchange market is where one currency is traded for another. This market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and is the largest financial market in the world, with daily trading volumes exceeding $6 trillion. The Forex market is influenced by various factors such as economic data, political events, and central bank decisions. Cryptocurrency markets. The crypto market, also known as the cryptocurrency market, is a relatively new and rapidly growing financial market. It deals with digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, which are decentralized and operate on a blockchain. Stock market. The stock market is where shares of publicly traded companies are bought and sold. It is an essential aspect of the global economy and serves as a barometer of countries' economic health. The stock market is influenced by a wide range of factors, including company performance, geopolitical events, and interest rates. Commodities market. The commodities market is where raw materials and primary products such as gold, silver, oil, and wheat are bought and sold. The prices of these commodities are determined by supply and demand factors, as well as geopolitical events and weather patterns. Indices market. The indices market measures the performance of a particular segment of the stock market. For example, the S&P 500 is an index that tracks the performance of the 500 largest companies listed on the US stock exchanges. Which market do you prefer?